Here is a brand new traffic app that you have never heard of before, and people tend to spend more time on this than on Twitter, and it's currently growing faster than YouTube did at the same stage of its growth, and it is completely free to use. Get ready, because today you're going to discover multiple ways to use this app for traffic generation, and because I don't want you to miss out on any traffic opportunities, do watch until the end, because there's a few less than obvious ways to use this for traffic gen. And also, if you do stay, as an extra bonus, I'm going to give you the secret method that I used to get over 30,000 website visitors every day for free. And that has allowed my students to generate enormous wealth for themselves and for their families. Okay, so here is an amazing new traffic app that invites you to share your knowledge, network with like-minded people, and join niche or niche relevant groups. You see, it's all based around authentic communication, similar to the types of conversations that you would have with your friends or down the pub, but obviously online and at scale. Now, it all starts with people asking questions or sharing helpful knowledge and tips. Now, this generates comments and response and engagements, which then leads to more questions and more engagement and more response. So this obviously gives you a golden opportunity to drive traffic to your website, but it also gives you the opportunity to establish yourself as an expert, as an authority in your niche, and then reach thousands more people. Okay, so let me show you how to use it. It's very simple, but you do need to stay until the end. Okay, so I'm going to open up the app. It's called You're On, and it's available on Android and iOS. So immediately it's going to show content that people are posting. If we take a look at how he's doing it, so we might want to model ourselves on what we know works. Let's have a click on this guy. Let's have a look at his profile. We can see that he is linking to a YouTube channel. So this is going to be his channel. If we click on that, we're at YouTube. So that link can be to anywhere you like. So that's the first way to use this for traffic gen. We have multiple other ways. So if this piece of content is relevant to us, we can hit the reply button. And now, hello. So we can add a response, a video response to that, record our video and post it there. So if we have a play around with this, we can go to our profile setting. There you can see my profile, and I can edit this. I can add some keywords to my bio. So I might want to say that I'm a marketer, content creator, that kind of thing. And then I can link out to any website I like. So there I could link to profitcopilot.com. Whoops, if I could even spell it. So let me show you another way to use this for traffic gen. So down at the bottom here, we have a plus icon. If you click that, again, it's going to open up your camera. So now you can talk to Cam, offer some useful tips to your audience, and then publish that. So that's another way to get traffic. Let me show you another way. So here we have a search icon. If we click on that, now we can discover threads that might be relevant to your niche. We have users that we might want to network with. These could be potential leads that we bring into our funnel. And then down here we have communities. So let's take a scroll through here. You might find one that is relevant to you, because if we go through them all, there's just dozens to choose from. Now, what if your niche or your niche is not represented here? Well, that's okay, because we can create our own. I'll show you how to do that in a second. But underneath communities, have a look at this, categories. So you can scroll through here and potentially find relevant niches. Have a look at these categories. You'll see what people are posting in there. Now you can engage with this content, or you can add your own. So let's go back to home, because what we want to do is create our own community. Now this little icon at the very top right hand side, if we click on that, it's going to open up communities. If you click the plus icon, now you can create your own. What I would suggest you do is add a relevant name. So make sure that your community is representative of your niche. So maybe you're going to create a health-based community, or a keto community, or why not a search engine optimization community. And if you add this to your marketing mix, who knows what kind of amazing results you can get. Like Matt, he's making millions of dollars online thanks to my training. So if you want to know the secret and you really are serious about making as much money as you can on the internet, you're going to need more traffic. So I will give you the traffic methods that I never share on YouTube or anywhere else. You can get them all completely for free when you go to profitcopilot.com/traffic. And I'll also put a link to that in the description for you. And if you found this useful, give it a thumbs up below, subscribe to the channel too, hit that little notification bell so you never miss an update from me. And I will hopefully see you again in a couple of days' time. Take care.